Today in this video we'll be reviewing this ladder that I got on Amazon. It's right now $89 on Amazon, plus you get $20 off right now. I'll post the affiliate link on my description to support this channel so you can buy it through that link. But I'll be using this ladder for my trailer so I can reach the top lights, marker lights, and also the lights of this. So let's go over what it says. It says it's rated for 375 pounds weight. It has this little thing to hold it so it doesn't open on you. Then it just pops open like this. It's really nice. This part I like, that it's very compact, and then when you put it up, looks nice. And it has little grommets at the bottom. So you put it like right under, let's say like this, it actually looks not too bad. See, I don't think it's gonna hold 370 pounds. Let's say 350. I don't think so. Let's climb up on the ladder. I weigh 245, don't forget. So it's about stable like this. Oh, did it go down? The first step. Wow, that's crazy. So the honest review after using it today, after the video ended, I wouldn't buy it because these legs come closer. Plus, these grommets, they come out kinda, and then it starts slipping. This is a big issue because whenever you step on it, it brings the legs together, and it becomes very unstable up there. I personally was kind of scared getting up this ladder and down this ladder. I didn't even get to finish my job. But yeah, recommendation, I wouldn't really buy this. Look for another one, look for a different review for a different one. I'll be buying another one, probably doing a different review on a different ladder. Thanks for watching. If this video has made you make a decision on this ladder, yeah, leave a like and also subscribe. That is the only flaw that I noticed, and also that it seems flimsy. But then again, I can only compare it to this ladder that I just bought. Leave a comment what you think, and also like this video. Thank you.